to the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. We had a good run, don't say we didn't. I was your first love, and you were my first one. Cheers to all the memories, the venom and the remedies, yeah. Promise I won't forget, yeah. Maybe it's something in the water, yeah. Or maybe we just hit the end of the road, yeah. Right now it doesn't even matter, yeah. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry.
Welcome back to a video. I wanted to give you guys a quick welcome really quickly. I have a few things that I want to get done today. It has for sure been a very productive morning. I got ready for the day, kind of threw myself together. I'm on my second load of laundry. I've run the dishwasher. I've went over and took care of my horse Tex this morning. Ruger has gotten attention. Made my bed, sorted some laundry. I was able to get some back end YouTube stuff done, and now here I am filming. So I feel like it's a very productive day so far, and it's not even lunchtime. So I'm gonna pick up the camera because if you guys are in need to just get some motivation and feel like you're not alone in this homemaking journey, I know that YouTube has helped me so much when I've felt alone and just kind of displaced since being home with the kids and stuff like that. It kind of gives me a purpose, and it can be hard to get up and want to do those homemaking things, but we're here to do it together. And I figured if I'm doing it, I'm gonna pick up the camera and take you guys with me. I have no idea what I'm put in today's video, but I'm always doing something around the house, and like I said, I've already been pretty productive, so I could see that being kind of a theme for the rest of the day. So I'm gonna take you guys with me, so let's just dive right in and start getting things done. I wanted to take a quick moment to thank today's video sponsor, and that is HAUSWEET. You guys, I cannot tell you how long that I've been wanting a beautiful tea set. I think I'm just at that point in life, I'm just loving more of the vintage kind of classy look, and I've been bringing that into my home along with pops of blue. And this tea set spoke to me as absolutely stunning, and I cannot wait to share it with you today. This elegant 13-piece European coffee set is the perfect way to enjoy your favorite cup of coffee or tea in style. It includes a teapot, 6 cups, 6 saucers, and a metal holder. All pieces are made of high-quality ceramic and feature a modern design with golden lines. I also wanted to mention that this teapot has a large capacity, so you could easily brew enough coffee for company, or you could just do a single size just for yourself. And the saucers provide a stylish place to rest your cup. The metal holder is perfect for keeping your coffee set organized and displayed. With the holidays quickly approaching, I know that I'm going to be doing a ton of entertaining, and this set is perfect for any occasion. So whether you're hosting maybe a brunch party or for the holidays, or you're just simply enjoying a cup of coffee at home, this set will add a touch of elegance to your table. If you would like to check out HAUSWEET for yourself, I will have their website linked down below, or you can check out www.housesweet.com. They have free shipping on all items site-wide. They have an amazing return policy, also online chat support if you need anything, and usually great discounts site-wide as well. But I will have a discount down below. You can use my code Katie5 and my link to shop HAUSWEET today. And thank you so much to HAUSWEET for sponsoring this portion of today's video. You may or may not have noticed I'm doing a lot of stay-at-home mom content lately. I feel like we kind of get a question of like, as a stay-at-home mom, like, what do you do all day? And the answer is everything. We do everything. And I did work for sure a very short time when I had my first son, Rylan. And I give mad props to moms that have to also work out of the home. But I've also spoken to some of my out of the home working friends, and they were home for a short time with their kids, and they said after a while, you know, like they were just like craving to get back to work and adult conversation and just a change of scenery, just like having some sort of independence. And I could definitely see the struggles with both. I've been home for over 10 years now, so I have definitely been out of the corporate world for a while. But as a stay-at-home mom now, and I decided to go ahead and start my own little business. This is what you're watching here, which is YouTube. My kids are now 9 and 10. I don't have diapers to change and bottles to wash, and they are gaining a lot more independence. And you can really struggle with your identity because someone's not needing you as much as they did, but yet I'm still home. It doesn't make any sense for me to go back to work. My husband is a first responder, so his hours are unfortunately super unreliable, and we need to have someone here at home to hold down the fort, take care of the kids, do appointments, sports, homework. We know homeschooling. Someone's got to be around to do that. So I'm going to continue this stay-at-home mom thing and continue my little hustle here on YouTube. But that's why you're seeing a lot more stay-at-home mom content from me, is because I'm really at a transition in life where I'm really trying to kind of like re-find my identity. So if you are someone that is also kind of maybe lost sight of yourself, and maybe you've got kids at home, whatever your situation is, and you kind of just have to ask that question, who is Katie, or who you are, I'm struggling with that. So let me know down in the comments if you've maybe struggled with that before in the past, or maybe that's something that is currently happening to you now. But I've noticed that my views are up and you guys are finding this content relatable. So I'm here for you. You are not alone. Things can always look like sunshine and rainbows on the internet and Instagram, but it is just a highlight reel, friends. And we all have our struggles, and I'm just kind of at that pivot in life. So I'm here for you. I hope my content makes you guys feel seen and heard, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Talk dinner really quickly. I wanted to show you guys. I was at the store yesterday. I made homemade enchiladas the other night, so maybe I will have those for lunch today. But I have some ground turkey where I can make spaghetti and maybe like green beans or something, and a garlic bread. And then I also have these steaks. Look how delicious those are. So I'm thinking about doing maybe steaks with fingerling potatoes. And then there's the green beans that I think I'm going to put with the spaghetti. So maybe we'll do the spaghetti tomorrow night. I'll ask my family what they feel like. But then I figured I would do these shaved Brussels sprouts with the steak. And then the fingerling potatoes, I could just do those in a skillet. So those are kind of like my meals for the next couple of nights, if you guys want any like quick dinner ideas. I'm also going to make more banana bread. If you guys missed that video, it was so good and so fast, you guys. So I have 3 very ripe bananas. I'm going to make another batch of banana bread, but without the chocolate chips this time. It was great. Me and my kids loved it, but it wasn't my husband's favorite. He actually likes them without chocolate chips. So we're going to do just a normal batch for him with those. But here's the potatoes I was thinking of making with those steaks. I can toss them with olive oil and garlic and season them up really good. And then this is the garlic bread that I would actually pair with the spaghetti and the green beans. It's got the garlic spread and everything in there, and this is so good, you guys. I've shared this with you guys before, but I also got some nice ripe bananas too. So that's what I'm thinking for the next couple nights for dinners. Look what just showed up at my door, you guys. Oh my goodness, aren't these absolutely stunning? Oh, you guys, never stop dating your spouse. He's so beautiful. So of course I'm in here in the kitchen and I wanted to show you guys what I'm making for dinner, and as I was showing you that, I realized how disgusting the face of my fridge was, so we want to wipe that down. And then as we're wiping down the face of the fridge, I realized it's been a minute since I've pulled out my fridge and cleaned behind it, because that's the type of person I am. I will start something, and as I'm doing that, I'll notice something else, and then it's just like a spiral. So it's a good thing I have like a cleaning and organizing channel, because this allows me to kind of like get it done for you guys and inspire and motivate you. But that's what happened to me in this moment. I had zero intention of pulling back my fridge, but in all honesty, I think it's been about a year, you guys. I think last time I pulled this out is when we put in our new floors, and that was a little over a year ago. So don't come at me. It's pretty bad back there, so hang in there. I'll give you guys a nice up close look, and we're gonna get it handled, because I don't know, it was growing some fur back there.
I think that I'm going to hiding somewhere by a gated star. Baby, they ain't never gonna find me. I'm a renegade. I could be the one who saved you from this hard place. We could be as one and we'll escape. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside me. Take away the pain, we can go insane. I can feel it, it burns inside me. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside me. Take away the pain, we can go insane. Trust me, I won't let you down. I won't let you down. Yeah, I won't let you down. I won't let you down. Oh, I won't let you down. We could have the world to ourselves, going to a place that's far, staring at the stars for hours, 'cause you're a renegade. I could be the one who saved you from this hard place. We could be as one and we'll escape. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside me. Take away the
Isn't that so bad back here, you guys? I debated like sharing this or not because it was so bad. And then when I was doing laundry earlier, I realized how badly I needed to pull back my washer and dryer too. So if you guys noticed that in that clip in my laundry room, I just left it because I want to pull out everything out of the laundry room in order to clean that. So that will definitely be coming in an upcoming video. But I hate pulling out the dryer in the washer when my husband's not home, because if something gets disconnected, I just have this like horrible fear of like water shooting everywhere or like a gas leak or whatever. So I don't even want to mess with that unless my husband is home. So hopefully I can get that done really soon, because the floor was looking pretty bad underneath my washer and dryer too. I probably pulled those out about a year ago. Last time I pulled out my fridge was because of the flooring. So anyways, that is very, very overdue, and I just wanted to address that since I showed that in the beginning of this video. But we're just not going to go there because I'm too afraid to pull everything out on my own.
we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside me. Take away the
Okay, I wanted to explain this long clip of me cleaning this mat in my kitchen. So this is like a rubbery, like waterproof type material on here, and I love it, but it is a lighter color. So of course, like, it gets wet, it gets dirty, everybody walks on it. It's a high traffic area. So I'm very thankful that I'm able to wipe this down and that it's waterproof. But using my vacuum mop you see me using here, this ring around the top, it's blue when it's clean and red when it's dirty. So I'm going over it really slowly until it stops turning red. So that's what I was doing here, because you guys, this thing had gotten so dirty. I could clean this every single week and it still looks really filthy. So I should probably swap it out with something else, but I just wanted to show you guys how satisfying that was, going from red to blue and knowing that it was clean. Comment below and let me know if you guys are also an ice cube snob. I love pebble ice. Like the ice from Sonic or like Miguel's Jr. is the absolute best. Did you know you could go through the Sonic drive-thru or go to Sonic and buy bags of their ice? Fun fact if you didn't know that. But I've been making this pebble ice at home. And then my beautiful, so thoughtful sister-in-law got me these palm leaf shaped ice cubes because I think she's also an ice cube snob. We both love fancy ice cubes, and she bought these for me. So I made a couple trays, and you guys, they are so cute. I'll give you a better look in just a second. But my ice cube tray that I keep all my ice in was empty, and these were ready. So I thought I would go ahead and show you guys me refilling my cute little ice cubes for like my iced coffees and my iced teas and my weekend cocktails. I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this video, and thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to check out HAUSWEET and use my code Katie5. I will have them linked down below. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Hello everyone, it's actually the next day. I thought it might be fun to kind of give you guys a quick glimpse into what's to come for my next video. We just got home from doing some Halloween hunting with the Ruger's new toy, and I scored some holy grails, some stuff that I have been on the lookout for, and so I'm gonna sit down and film a video for you guys. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, hit the bell so you guys don't miss an upcoming video, and everything is gonna start to be fall, Halloween, and then after that Christmas, the best time on YouTube. So thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye friends.